Here at our first no cooling call of the week, just waiting for the time delay, and we'll see what's happening. Contacts are pulled in. No voltage. What about the ground? Each leg to ground. Nothing. We do have a low capacitor. I found some loose connections there at the bottom of the contactor, and here in the disconnect we got a turn on pretty much all of them. We're going to swap out this cap real quick and see if that breaker will reset. We got 6 amps on L1. Everything's on and running. Let's see what our startup amps are. Oh. 9.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Just shoved the whip up in there and then ran a roofing nail through it so that it can't slide back out. We're just getting to our next call here. This is actually a call back from over the weekend. The on-call tech here was having an issue with the fuse blowing, and I guess he couldn't get it figured out, so we are here today to see what we can do. Here's what we got. This is a heat pump system that they have wired like an AC. Got our filter dryer, single directional. This is not a biflow, so they are running this thing just like an AC. Previous tech said that it was when he made a call for cooling that he was having an issue. So I don't know, we're gonna dig into this, see what we can find. I mean, I don't know why they would wire all of this together. I mean, I get to run it like an AC, but I think what I would do is wire Y separately here. And then take us another wire back. And we don't want that reversing valve shifting every time it gets the call for Y. You know, we want it to stay shifted over. And the only thing that this R is for is to power that defrost board. So I don't really think that we need it unless this orange is going through the board first. But we're going to wire orange and our red together, but have it in a separate wire nut here. So now we got all this separated. Black, that's our heat strip wire, but it's on a furnace, so alright, that's fine. Let's pull our disconnect and check our coil on our contactor here. .3. There's our problem right
Seems
there.
kind of low, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, there's our issue right there. New 2-pole contactor. You've seen me swap them out before. You know how that's done. We removed the old one. There's a burnt coil right there. There's our 24-volt short. We've got this wired up a little bit differently than how they had it. We're going to go replace the fuse, check our zone board because this is a zone system. Look for any other funky wiring, and then we're going to try and run this thing. Both of our float switch wires landing on Y. Somebody didn't know what they were doing, man. That ain't gonna break. That ain't gonna break nothing wired like that. Straightened up this wiring. We still got our 2 Ys, our 2 commons, G and W, and then we've got the float switch breaking R here, and we've got it wire nutted with our other R's here. So now at least it will break power if this float switch trips, and the customer will know via their thermostat going blank. We just got to change out this fuse, and we're going to try and run it. There you have it, on and running. Pressures look good. We talked to her, explained what the issue is, told her that she's got a heat pump system, a dual fuel system that is running like a AC in a furnace because of how they have it wired, and you know, this, that, and the other. She's aware of all of that, and I don't know, man, you got to be appreciative of really cool customers, because she is very grateful that we got it up and running. Her daughter is in town. She didn't want to be in a hot house with her, and now I'm the only person she wants working on her unit, and I didn't do nothing to find a bad contactor. Cap is good. We need a fan motor. Get this guy off of there. Ooh. Yeah, that should be fine. We'll be able to use these holes. We might have to cut the mounting screws or whatever for this to fit, but
Just stick through.
yeah, we'll figure it out, man. Don't
fret.
Don't worry your pretty little heart about it. There you go, man. Alrighty. Got my motor changing bucket. Yeah, man, that thing is stiff. Oh, nice. Way easier.
Just how I had it planned. Should be cool. Look at there.
Good night. Well, got to put some. Good night. Who put this on here? Wonder Woman. God bless it. I don't want to strip it now.
Yeah, man.
I got this one turning. No, I had it. I tell you what, boss man. I'm about to.
Yeah. There you go. I'm used to messing around with it, is it? I think it's gonna break.
It's just spinning.
Yep. Ain't that some crap?
Yeah.
One or two options. Yeah, maybe. How about spray? Did you get your spray? Maybe.
Is the screw spinning, or is this?
Yeah, it's just jumping off.
No, it's jumping off of it, huh? Alrighty. Well, shoot.
You
Trying to think of what else I have. There you go. I do have some vice grips in there. We'll grab a hold of it with that. Harbor. This ain't no Harbor Freight. Oh man. It ain't going. Shoot. This might be a problem. Let's see here.
It happened during the storm. It just quit, and I thought, oh.
Oh no. I think my battery It's done.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
You're getting close to it.
Yeah.
Just be easy with you. I don't know if you got the other one charging. There you
There it
go.
is. Lovely.
I don't believe it's so much for this. We had to. We never know how to switch them.
We always do. All right, man. Yeah. Chill right there for a second. Just run 1 or 2 screws in it for right now till we can verify the rotation. And inside the bucket over there is the capacitor for it. Can you throw me that? And we'll have to find, maybe we mount that right here to the side. We'll go get the snips and just clean off the rest of that band there, and we'll be in business, man.
Alright fellas, we got us some after hours calls. It's 8:30. 2 calls just came in from New Bern, so I got about an hour drive before I get there. It's gonna be a late one tonight, but that's okay because I hit overtime today, so we getting paid time and a half the rest of the week, baby.
Woo! 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 Ow! Love that money!
Nothing running out here. Indoors running. Thermostat still making a call. We got water coming out of the return and a mountain of crap in the way. So, oh, just kicked on. No fan. Ooh, that fan's hot to the touch. All right, so we got a bad cap, potentially bad fan motor. We got a spigot there I can cool this motor off with. Need to find the drain though. There's our secondary up there. I wonder if it's buried. Oh no. We got 5 on the fan. That sucker's gonna be good. Oh Lord. This is gonna be a costly visit. If we're having drain issues and a bad fan. Yep, 35 and 5. Compressor side is bad. We know that we got 240, right? So an easy way to test this is we're going to take our fan wire off of the defrost board and we're going to run that to the opposite side of our contactor from the common of the fan. So now whenever we turn this on, we'll see if that fan comes on.
Holy cow, it does. Wow. So potentially got a bad defrost board. Wow, it's back on and running. What? 0.8 on that fan. Let's see what it's rated at. Fan was pulling 0.8. It's rated for 0.7. I think we got a bad fan motor. We got a bad capacitor. We got to figure out what's going on with this water. And this is a R22 system, so could be freezing up the coil, low on charge. We haven't gotten that far yet. Water leaking out the return side. Pan too small for the unit. Let's get it opened up, see if it's frozen. Clogged drain. We got water in the pan. How's it escaping? Oh my goodness, man. Damn! That coil is filthy. Alright, man, so we have found something wrong at every turn on this system. The fan was not running originally. You guys saw that. It's over amping. I think we need a new fan motor. The dual cap is bad. The blower cap is bad. The drain is clogged. The coil is plugged. The unit is too large for the pan, so now it's overflowing onto their ceiling. And it's R22, and I don't even care about checking the pressures at the moment because that coil will have to be pulled to clean it because it's an A coil. I have no access to the inside of that thing. So they need a new system at this point, unfortunately. I'm typing up some notes, I'm putting some prices together, and we're gonna go see what they want to do.